Hey guys, how are y'all doing? This is Empress from Nature Island of the Caribbean. Just giving you a little view of Dominica. I'm here in Portsmouth at Coconut Beach. Here, just taking a nice little stroll on the beach. See how beautiful it is down here. So, hey, when you get that vacation, come on out and visit Dominica. Where else would you find 365 rivers, waterfalls, boiling lake, sulfur springs, sulfur pools, exotic women, beautiful, beautiful black sand beaches? I mean, come on now. You don't want to go to any malls, shopping malls, and place full of noise. Come here. Come visit Dominica. I promise you won't regret it. All right? So enjoy this beautiful walk with me on the beach. Come out, take a little swim. Look at this water here. I mean, it is absolutely nice and warm and beautiful. So let's have a good time. Come out. Visit me, Empress Holistic Wellness here in Dominica, and let's have a great time enjoying Mother Nature. All right? Blessings. Out.